Hello and welcome. If your business, your applications, or your clients rely on email, then you know that when email stops working, it's more than just an inconvenience. It can mean lost leads, missed notifications, and a total breakdown in communication. The problem is, you often don't find out there's an issue until it's far too late. But what if you had a dedicated watchman for your email server? Someone who never sleeps, constantly checks on its health, and taps you on the shoulder the very second something seems wrong. That's precisely what we've built. Today, we're going to take a detailed look at our SMTP monitoring tool. In simple terms, this is a lightweight piece of software written in PHP that has one critical job: to keep a constant eye on your SMTP server, that is, the server that sends your emails, and to alert you immediately if it becomes unreachable or starts having problems. The clever part is how it does this. It doesn't bombard your server with emails or complex commands. It performs what we call a non-intrusive check. It just knocks on the server's door by establishing a connection, listens for a hello, which in technical terms is the SMTP banner, and then quietly disconnects. This means it can verify your server is alive and responsive without adding any meaningful load or triggering any spam filters. It's a polite, efficient, and incredibly effective check. And when it detects a problem, it doesn't just log it in a file somewhere. It reaches out to you directly on the channels you use every single day: SMS and WhatsApp. Let's talk about why this matters. Think about the last time your website's contact form stopped sending emails, or when your application failed to send a password reset link. You probably found out from a frustrated user or an angry customer, which is not an ideal situation. This tool completely flips that script. It gives you proactive awareness. The primary benefit here is peace of mind. You can stop wondering and start knowing. You can go about your day or sleep soundly through the night with the confidence that if your email server has a hiccup, you will be the first to know. This allows you to address issues often before your end users are even aware of them. It saves you a significant amount of time and frustration. Manually checking a server is a chore, and it's easy to forget. This automates the entire process. Furthermore, by getting detailed alerts that specify the type of error, like a connection failure, an authentication problem, or a timeout, you can start troubleshooting right away, instead of wasting time just diagnosing the basic problem. Finally, it's built to be flexible and fit right into your workflow. You can run it on a schedule as a background cron job for continuous monitoring, or you can use its clean, web-based dashboard to perform a manual check whenever you have a suspicion. It respects your server resources with built-in rate limiting, and it respects your preferences by letting you choose exactly when and how you want to be notified. Now, let's get into the specific features that make all of this possible. First up, the dual channel notification system. You can configure it to send alerts via both SMS and WhatsApp, or just one of them. The system automatically formats mobile numbers correctly for each service. So you just enter your number in the international format, like +1 billion to 134,567,890, and it handles all the rest. Next, we have smart error classification. It doesn't just say the server is down. It analyzes the response and tells you if it's a connection failure, an authentication error suggesting wrong credentials, a timeout, or a more general issue. This context is invaluable for getting a quick resolution. Then there's the strict time synchronization. All timestamps in your logs and notifications are displayed in your local time zone and your preferred date and time format, which you set just once in the configuration. It completely ignores the server's time zone, so you're never confused about when an event actually occurred. The professional web dashboard gives you a clean, mobile-friendly interface to run manual checks, see the current status, and view recent activity logs at a glance. It's built with Bootstrap, so it looks great and works perfectly on your phone or your desktop. We also built in template-based messaging. All the messages sent via SMS and WhatsApp are stored as simple templates. This means you or someone on your team who isn't a programmer can easily change the wording of the alerts without touching any code. You can make them more formal, add specific instructions, or even translate them into another language. And underpinning all of this is robust logging and rate limiting. Every single check is logged with a timestamp and details, and these logs are automatically rotated to prevent them from using too much disk space. The rate limiting ensures the tool doesn't pester your SMTP server too frequently, preventing any potential complaints from your hosting provider. Using the tool is incredibly straightforward. After you download the files, you'll start with the single configuration file. This is where you set everything up just once. You input your SMTP server details, the host, port, and encryption type. Then, you add your mobile number for alerts and specify your time zone and date preferences. You then decide on your notification rules. Do you want an alert only when something fails? That's the most common setup. Or do you also want a confirmation message when everything is working just fine? You can enable that for SMS or WhatsApp or both. Once configured, you have two main ways to run it. For continuous, hands-off monitoring, you set it up as a cron job on your server. This is a scheduled task that can run every 5, 15, or 60 minutes, whatever interval you're comfortable with. It will run silently in the background, watching over your server. Alternatively, you can simply navigate to the tool's web address in your browser. You'll see the dashboard with a big check status button. Click it, and within seconds you'll see a clear report on your screen showing whether the server is operational, the response time, and any errors. It is perfect for those moments when you have a gut feeling something might be wrong and you want immediate confirmation. When an alert comes through to your phone, the message will clearly state the problem, the server involved, and the exact time it occurred. From there, you can jump straight into your server management panel to start fixing the issue, already armed with the key information you need to get started. So, to recap, this tool acts as your 24/7 sentry for email server connectivity. It checks silently without causing any load, alerts you instantly through your preferred channels with detailed error information, and gives you complete control over how and when it operates. It's a simple solution to a critical business problem designed to give you one less thing to worry about. Thank you so much for your time today. I've taken you through a lot of detail because I truly believe that if you depend on email, this tool will become an indispensable part of your toolkit. I am confident you will find it reliable and incredibly useful. If you have any questions at all, before or after your purchase, we are here to help. You can reach out to us via WhatsApp, Telegram, or through the help desk on our website. Again, thank you for watching. We've put a lot of care into building this monitoring tool to be both powerful and straightforward, and we look forward to it providing you with the peace of mind and proactive awareness your business truly deserves. Take care, and we hope to hear from you soon.